Hi, today I will be doing a 3-in-1 stretch twist out style using As I Am's twisting defining cream and their curling jelly. So I semi-stretched my hair using the tension method using my blow dryer, and I stretch my hair because it lasts longer, the twist, and I get more definition out the style and even more definition when I fluff my hair. So my steps are pretty repetitive. I spritz my hair a little bit with water, and then I add the twisting defining cream. Then on top of that, I use the curling jelly, which is really good and has a good hold, and it gives defining my twist and gives a good curl.
Try to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Get me caught up in your game. Well, you cannot say my name. I never say that I do things. I'm slowing down just the way it seems. The way you act is strange. If nobody's holding you back from me.
You do not have to do as many twists as I am doing, especially if your hair is longer. I usually just do this many twists because it lasts me longer and I get the most definition that I like out of it. The 3 styles I wore my twists in are just my twist, then unraveled, just definition, no separation, and then separating and fluffing my hair to my liking. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!